How do you find affiliate marketing products to promote? Hi, it's Del here from Future You Success. I started affiliate marketing nearly 3 years ago after a major life change event. And I made a ton of mistakes along the way. And I want to share with you what happens in my journey in earning affiliate commissions that now gives me the income to enjoy the lifestyle, my pursuits and my hobbies, all from a part-time basis. And you can too, if you follow some of the things I've done or not done, which will be easier for you. My other videos have covered subjects such as finding your niche in affiliate marketing, how to find your target market audience, and how much can you earn, and more. But if you haven't watched them, I'll put links below so that you can click on the playlist and then you can see the whole thing. But in this video, what I want to cover is how do you find products to promote as an affiliate marketer, particularly if you're a beginner. Now, affiliate marketing as a business is something that you obviously can start. You can build in your spare time and scale. You don't have the hassle of creating products, holding inventory, stock, that type of thing. So it's an ideal model, but it works on you promoting products. So where do you find them? Well, there's really two places you can find the products. Number one is to contact or reach out to companies directly, see if they run affiliate programs and join the process that way. And the second is to join affiliate marketing program platforms. And these are companies that will have a whole range of different product offerings that you can select to promote that matches in with your niche. But before I get into those two, click on the link below to join my free weekly email that I cover various business tips in your online business, mistakes to avoid, mistakes I've made to help you steer clear of those, and basically getting yourself started and up and running in building your online business, be it affiliate marketing or e-commerce, whatever it might well be. So click on that link below. It's free to join. It's just one email comes out a week for you there. Okay. Now, number one. How do you reach out to a company? How do you find a company if you want to promote their products? First thing you do is go online, go onto your search, internet search provider, go into the search bar and type the name of the company plus affiliate program. So for example, if you are creating content around long distance running, and you're reaching out to an audience that is interested in that, and you think, I can promote some products here. You know Nike makes some of the best long distance running shoes. And you think, I would like to promote those products, potentially earn some commissions from them. So, as in my example, you go to your internet search bar, you type in Nike affiliate program, hit return. You'll be brought up a screen that will show you if the particular company, in this case Nike, has an affiliate program, and it'll show you what to do next to click to join. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to see that you are matching your content to their product, because that might be one of the joining criteria. You'll have a look at various different companies. You'll also see that certain brands particularly will require you to have a minimum amount of traffic going to whatever content media that you are producing, be it blogs, articles, video, whatever articles, whatever it is that you're producing, they will want to see. So sometimes with the big household names, it might be a little bit more of a process getting started, particularly as you're a beginner. So does that mean you can't do affiliate marketing? Well, no, absolutely not. This brings us on to the second option that you have, which is to promote products that are hosted by what we call affiliate marketing platforms, program platforms. And names that come to mind will be companies like ClickBank, Rakuten, ShareASale, CJ Affiliates, and I'm sure you've even heard of the big powerhouse that's Amazon. Amazon Associates, that's their particular affiliate program. You can earn commissions by recommending products that are sold across that platform. Again, another very straightforward platform to join. and I'm sure that you will find something there that you can promote that aligns with your niche market, your niche subject. Once you join these companies, it's very straightforward to go to the marketplace, as they call it, scroll down, find a product that you want to promote. You basically really just click on the link that says promote product. You'll be taken through to a screen that will generate what's called a link, or a hop link, that will be literally look like hieroglyphics. Actually, it'll be words, letters, numbers, symbols, and then with your unique reference behind that. And that then actually is your unique link for that product that you can now embed into your articles, your media, whatever content it is that you're providing, that your audience will see, click on, that takes them through to the sales page of the company that you're promoting, or the product you're promoting, where hopefully they'll make a purchase, and you will then receive the appropriate affiliate commission at whatever rate that is. Now, it might sound a bit complex at this stage. Don't worry, I've actually written an article on how you can create your links and put them into your content. I'll put a description, a link below that you can click through to, and that will take you to my article. So hopefully that will help you get going with that. Again, I hope this is of some help for you, particularly as you're starting on your affiliate journey. We all start as beginners, I did, and I'm just recording all this as how I got going with it. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below, and I will come back to you and answer that. And also, don't forget to join the free weekly email that I do. It's free to join, and you can unsubscribe at any time. I won't be offended. And yeah, you'll just get some hints and tips and things, and also try to be a bit more interactive with you if you've got a particular challenge in mind. And again, there's the links for the other videos, playlists on this subject on affiliate marketing. I hope some of that is of some help for you. Good luck with your affiliate marketing business. Drop some comments below, and yeah, catch you soon.